In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a moving face in Adobe Premiere Pro, and yes, that blur is going to follow her all the way like a loyal bodyguard. Let's get into it. Start by dragging your video straight into the timeline. We're going to use this footage of a lady walking, and our goal is to blur her face throughout the entire clip clean and smooth. Now head over to the effects panel and in the search bar, type in Gaussian blur. Once you see it, drag and drop onto the video clip. Next, go to effect controls and you'll see Gaussian blur listed. Under it, click create ellipse mask. This will drop a circular blur mask onto your video. Now grab the edges of the ellipse and resize it so it fits nicely over her face. Once that's done, increase the blurriness until her face is fully covered and not recognizable. Usually around 50 to 100 should do it. Now here's the fun part. We need that blur to follow her as she walks. Under the mask, find the mask path section. Right beside it, you'll see 4 little tracking buttons. Let me simplify what they do. Track selected, mask forward. This is the one we'll use. It tells Premiere to follow the mask forward through the video, automatically adjusting as she moves. Perfect, since our beautiful lady is walking forward. Track selected, mask backward. This one does the opposite. It tracks backward in case your mask starts in the middle and you want to go back to the beginning. Step forward 1 frame, moves the mask forward 1 frame at a time. Handy if you're manually fixing things. Step backward 1 frame. Same as the step forward, but in reverse. 1 frame back, good for small tweaks. So go ahead and click on that track forward button. Sit back and let Premiere handle the tracking. It'll move the blur along with her face frame by frame. Once it's done, hit play and watch the blur follow her face smoothly. Clean work. And that's it, guys. You've just tracked and blurred a moving face like a pro. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe,